Hello, Mr. Holmes. It's Nathaniel Coolidge. So this is my Python program that I'm about to submit. I just wanted to talk to you about some of the concepts because I'm not sure I understand everything fully. So I figured if I'm wrong about something, then maybe you can correct me on it because this is all new to me and I'm just not sure if I understand it properly. So I'll just go over it. So basically, this is my user list variable. So that's attached to the usernames.txt file. So I want to open the usernames.txt file and I want to append or modify the file. Then after that I'm going to define my main function. And so my main function is if the number 1 is less than number 2, I want to print the numbers in between in ascending order. Or if the number 1 is greater than number 2, I want to print the numbers in descending order. Or if both numbers equal the same, I wanted to print the message numbers are the same. And then I want to return down to my main operation, which the user is going to control. So the while true. So while this function's true. So basically, first I want to ask the program to ask the user to enter their username, and then I want to define this hello variable. So the hello variable is basically the welcome message, which I'm going to print right below it. So basically, it's going to say hello, and then call the name variable, so it will print the name there, and then glad to see you. So basically here it's going to say print hello, and I want to print in uppercase, so I say print hello variable dot upper, so that it will print in uppercase. And then I wanted to write that username to the file, so I'm going to say name.upper, and then I put this /n here so that will make a new line for the next username. And then I wanted to just print a blank space. And then here we go, it's going to ask the user what's the first number, so integer input, so what's the first number, and then once the user inputs that integer, it's going to save that. Then number 2, so integer input, what is the second number, so then it's going to input the second number, and then it's going to call back my main function, so it will go back up here, and then now with these numbers it will determine which one of these is true, and then it will print out the results. And then after that it's going to come back here, and then it's going to ask the user to run again, and then if run equals yes, or run equals yes in uppercase, then it's going to just continue the loop and go back up here and then just run the program all over again. Else, if the user doesn't enter yes, then it's going to print now exiting. It's going to write another line to the file just to make it look cleaner, and so you can distinguish how many usernames were inputted in the time the program was run. And then it's going to break, so it's basically going to stop the program. Then I want to close the file just to prevent any conflicts. So I hope I understand everything right, but this program works, so I'll just run it to show you. So enter your username, Nate Coolidge. What is the first number? We'll just say 50. Second number 100. And so I see that it's printed all these numbers in ascending order, which is what I want it to do. Run again. I'll say yes. Test out everything. So Nate Coolidge. Now I'm gonna say 99. 99. Numbers are the same. So run again. Yes. Nate Coolidge. What's the first number? We'll do 60 and then 40. And it's printed them in descending order, which is what I wanted it to do. So now I'm going to say no, and it should close the program and save everything to the file. So in the file, I see I've got here my 3 usernames, which is how many times I entered the username, so it looks like it did it right. And it also made a new line for the next time I run the program. So I hope I understand everything right. I think I'm getting the hang of this program a little more, but it's still all really new to me because I didn't do any text-based programming last year in grade 11. So hopefully I can catch on to it more, and give me feedback on this, please. Thank you.